Hey everyone, this is going to be the answer to problem number 5 from page 67. The total population of Waterford County is 75,200. So they're giving us the total for that county. All the people in this county live in either Centerville, Sunnydale, or Capital City. Okay, so let's talk about this. We live in Richmond County, but within Richmond County, the county is made up of different cities. So that's what this problem's talking about. The entire county has 75,200 people, but these people are split up into 3 different areas, 3 different cities of Centerville, Sunnydale, or Capital City. The population of Centerville is 18,734, and the population of Sunnydale is 26,159. So our question's asking us to figure out what is the population of Capital City. So remember, these 3 cities make up the entire population of the county. So the first city they talk about is Centerville. So if I take Centerville and add that number to Sunnydale, and add that number to Capital City, all of those people from those 3 cities are going to equal the entire county of Waterford County. Okay, so let's look at the numbers that we do know. They tell us that Centerville has 18,734. So 18,734 would be Centerville. Sunnydale has 26,159 people living in that city, but we don't know how many people are living in Capital City. But once again, we do know when we put them all together, they make up the entire county of Waterford County of 75,200. Okay, so use what you do know. There are a couple different ways. There's actually 2 different ways you can do this problem. I think the most popular way people do this problem is separating it into 2 steps. So most people would take Centerville and Sunnydale and add them together. So step 1, 18,734 plus 26,159. Okay, so 9 plus 4 is 13, 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 more is 9, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, and then we have a 4. So those 2 cities together make up 44,893 people. And we have to add on Capital City to get the final total of 75,200, but we don't know what to add on. So the opposite of adding is actually going to be subtracting. So if I take my total, 75,200, this is our total, and I'm going to subtract the number that we just got when we combine those 2 cities. Oops, 400, oh goodness, hold on, 44,000 893. Okay, so we're gonna have to do some borrowing. We can't subtract 0 minus 3. I can't borrow from my tens, but I can borrow from my hundreds. That's a 1, make that a 10, a 9, and 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 9 is 0. I cannot subtract 1 minus 8. That's a 4. That's 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. And 7 minus 4 is 3. So we are left with 30,307. And this is going to be the answer to our third city of capital city. So the answer to number 5 is D. Now, if we had a calculator in class, I would have you take 18,734 plus 26,159 plus the 30,307, and all three of those cities' numbers should equal our total county answer of 75,200.